Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and it's 11 o'clock in the morning, 22nd of April, and I'm down at the Pioneer Beach Hotel and the Asimina Suites, because the Asimina is in the process of getting renovated and they're due to be reopening on May the 2nd. So I thought I'd pop down and see how the work was getting on. Over there you have the ever popular St. Nicholas Chapel. I'm not even going to attempt to go in there because there's quite a few people around. I respect their privacy. So you're going to see some lovely spring flowers instead. There's one for Alex. Look at that. So I'll do a little loop like I did before and we'll be able to see what's happening. I noticed that there is a crane there again now, but for the last week or so the main cranes have been removed, and they were painting, which is always a good sign that the project's nearing completion. So we'll just go up here. And first up we have Pioneer Beach. And it's nearly midday, so I need to make sure I don't film anyone sunbathing too closely. Trying to avoid. Go this way. I do like the little water feature they have here. It's like the restaurant's got a moat surrounding. Some very nice reflections there as well. And we'll go this way. Last time I was here at night, I'd been hoping to get some nice illumination shots, but the lights on the palm trees hadn't been switched on. So hopefully that will change soon, because it does look amazing at night. Yeah. Can't see anyone swimming. So I don't know what the water temperature's like. But after here I'll probably go down to the seafront for a film. And there'll definitely be swimmers there, because there are swimmers there in January. Right now you've got the Asimina. It looks like they've started putting the sunbeds back out, which is a good sign. I wonder how much I can film without annoying anybody. There's a nice big cat over there. Little Cypriot cat. I'll have a little wave and I'll just go through this way. Don't want to get too close, it's unfair. But yes, there's definitely a new floor there now, and it all looks rather lovely. Grounds are in good condition too, and the pyramid is now once more exposed. They have weddings and meetings and things here. Rather nice. There's a changing room over there. There's an outdoor bar as well. Looks like it's open. We'll go up here to a quick look. Very nice little location this is. Come back down again. It's all looking very nice. There you go, Asimina Suites, 5-star. Got some nice cabanas there. They're getting ready to open up again. You have the lifeguard. Nobody's on duty at the moment. Now coming round here, there's another little beach, and you'll have the Aquamarine and the Evie Marie. Now, because the focus of this film is the Asimina, I'm actually going to walk down the alleyway before then. Oh, the lifeguard is on duty. But I'll show you those hotels because they do look nice. So let's go down the side. There's plenty of spring flowers about. Now, weather-wise, glorious sunshine, and there had been rain predicted for the weekend, but I do a weather forecast post on the Facebook page every day now, and the rain prediction for the weekend seems to have vanished. So it's like, for the next week at least, all sunshine with a few clouds. Low 20s temperature timing. I'm in my t-shirt. I'm still wearing long trousers. Though most of the tourists will be wearing shorts, etc. I can hear workmen beavering away. Sounds like they're putting the last bits of plaster on. If you like our films, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share them far and wide. There's Paphos Life for this kind of film and the driving films, and Cyprus Panoramas for the 360 versions. Doesn't cost you anything, and it helps us out immensely with the algorithm, I can assure you. Please do subscribe if you watch our films and you haven't done so already, because as I said, it doesn't cost anything and it really does help. But if you do want to help us out financially, go to our Buy Me a Coffee page at buymeacoffee.com/Paphos Life. There you can chuck us a few coffees, or you can become a member. All membership details are given on the page itself. And if you want to get something back in return, go to our Zazzle store at zazzle.co.uk/Paphos Life. I'm slowing down a bit because there's dust blowing across there, and I want that to settle before I pass so I don't get it on the camera. Ooh, bit of a speedy walk there. We'll have a look around now though. So you can see a bit more about what's going on. And as I said, they were painting the outside of here when we drove past recently. Now they seem to be doing the finishing touches. Yeah, I phoned up when I did the last film here, and they said they were opening on May the 2nd. Looks like they're nicely on schedule. Certainly not open yet. Anyway, back to the marketing. If you want to get something back in return, go to our Zazzle store at zazzle.co.uk/Paphos Life. And there you can buy all sorts of memorabilia featuring up pictures that we've taken and stuck on things like luggage tags, cups, tote bags and calendars and what have you. So have a look there. He's making some sort of delivery to the top floor. And that's the Asimina. Next up we have Pioneer Beach, and that's well and truly open at the moment. So I'll have a quick look there too, seeing as we're walking past. Nice hibiscus growing there. Oh, nice foodie smells. That's trouble when I do these walks close to lunchtime. My stomach clock goes off. Anyway, quick return to the marketing. If you follow us on Facebook, you'll get updated whenever we publish anything on Paphos Life, or our main Facebook page, or YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or our main website. It's all there. That's our hub, basically. And you can subscribe to us on Facebook for only 99 cents a month, or 99 pence a month rather, and you get exclusive content there as well. There's the Pioneer Beach. It's very nice. Now we'll carry on going round. Incidentally, if you do work for any of the hotels along the hotel strip, and you think your hotel would benefit from us doing a walking tour in it, please do get in touch. I mean, we do try and contact people via social media, etc. But, well, I know how much junk mail companies get these days because we get it as well. So I thought I'd mention it here. So, but I mean, you can find the contact information just on our Facebook page, Paphos Life. Just message us there, or go to our main Paphos Life website. Anyway, because we'd love to be able to promote your places, and we don't have a problem with anywhere in Paphos really, because I don't think there are any sort of like rip-off places. It's a very nice place to be. So this is the road that goes down to St Nicholas Chapel again, which is a very popular wedding destination. Very pretty at night too. In terms of murals, there are loads of them in the actual chapel. I've done 360 tours of it, so just search on our main website and you'll soon find plenty of content, or our YouTube channel as well. You'll find plenty of information on it and inside views. And through there is the Louis Fayfon Beach Resort, and in front of that there are plans to build a new hotel, but there's also an archaeological site, so I'm not sure how that's going to get resolved. I mean, it's not the biggest or most well produced archaeological site in Paphos. If you want to see proper archaeology, I guess just go to the archaeological park. The clue is in the name, and Tombs of the Kings. But if you're up this end of the hotel strip and you want to see a little bit of history, it's a good place to come for a wander. You will see the occasional sign saying no entry, but if you go up past St Nicholas Chapel, there's no signs up that way, so you have plausible deniability. Besides which, if they are going to stick a hotel there, they can't care too much about people wandering over it. So we're back nearly where we started. This is Pioneer Beach again. It's a very nice, or some more two-tone flowers. I'll go and have a quick zoom of them because I like them myself. Very pretty. Oh, there's a big wasp as well, bee, sorry. Buzz. Sorry, this isn't a nature film. Right. More spring flowers over here. I think I'll finish with another view of St Nicholas Chapel. There are lots of people milling around it. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next film. Cheers.